Alright, all. It's Loner 420. From Loner 420 House. Wanting to wish everybody a happy 420 hour. Again, it's January, I guess January 9th, Thursday. Another foggy day. Yeah. Yes, Vancouver Island, another beautiful foggy day. Out with the dog again. And we have these trees. I mean, it's been so mild that the trees want to start budding their leaves. Look at this alder tree. Wow. Got all these little buds. Out with the dog, Genghis. Come here, boy. Here. Oh, yeah, look at him just a-ripping. Good boy. What's that? Right on. All right, Loner 420 House. Thursday, January 2015. It's just fog everywhere. Signing out. I guess it doesn't sign out anymore, eh?